Good morning, children. Today we will revise chapter 7, fraction. Your syllabus is exercise 7, D, E and F. Today we will revise two exercise 7D and E. Got it, children? Okay. As you know, if we are subtract two fractions, we will take LCM. So first question I am taking of heading, question number 1, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. First of all, you have to add by LCM method. LCM of 3 and 6. What is 6 will come. As you know, rule, if bigger number is coming in the table of smaller number, then bigger number is LCM. This is the rule first. I am repeating. If bigger number, one number is 3, another number is 6. Bigger number is 6 here. If bigger number is coming in the table of smaller number, then LCM be 6. 6 is bigger number, 3 is smaller number. 3 की टेबल में 6 आता है, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, तो एलसीएम आपका क्या हो जाएगा 6. गॉट इट? हाउ यू विल सॉल्व? 6 you will write here, LCM you will write here, and 6 divided by 3. ये किया हुआ है ना आपने. LCM divided by denominator, what will come? 2. Got it? And 2 multiply by numerator, 2 2 जा 4 for this fraction. Okay, like this. If one fraction more is there, same rule you will apply. Again listen, LCM divided by denominator and quotient जो आएगा उसको न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे 4. If प्लस है तो प्लस लगा दोगे, माइनस है तो माइनस. तो प्लस इज हियर, देन प्लस. ओके, सेम रूल. 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 1, 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 1, देन 1. ओके, देन एड 5 by 6. दिस इज योर आंसर. ओके, गॉट इट? 1. Okay, children, the same question we will do by converting into like fraction. Okay, two methods are there for solving. This is another method. See, what is this? 6 is bigger number, and you know 6 is LCM, it's here. So you have to make its denominator 6. Convert it into like fraction. How we will convert? Find out its equivalent fraction whose denominator is 6. तो क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 2 से. ओके, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय द सेम नंबर. बट विल कम 2 2 जा 4, 3 2 जा 6. नाउ सी, बोथ फ्रैक्शंस आर हैविंग सेम डिनोमिनेटर. इट मीन्स दे आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ये दोनों इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस हैं. इसकी जगह ये लिख दोगे 4 by 6, 1 by 6, ऐड कर दोगे 5 by 6. दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. It is based on another rule. Okay, what is the rule? Now, suppose 7 and 9. These two numbers are not coming in the table of each other. यानी कि इन दोनों में कोई common factor नहीं है. There is no common factor between 7 and 9. Its HCF is 1. ना तो 7 9 की टेबल में आ रहा है, ना 9 7 की टेबल में आ रहा है. ठीक है, और आपको LCM भी निकालना आता है, इस मेथड से निकालना आता है ना. ठीक है, तो आप निकाल के भी देख सकते हो. अगर ऐसा केस है तो क्या होता है, ओरल हो जाता है LCM ऑफ 7 and 9 क्या हो जाएगा, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट. 7 9 सा 63. ओके, गॉट इट? इफ LCM इज 1 होता है एनी नंबर्स का, तो उसका HCF अगर उसका क्या होता है, 1 होता है, कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होता, तो उनका LCM क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 63. तो सेम मेथड. 63 डिवाइड करो 7 से. 9 3 जा 27. सेम 63 डिवाइडेड बाय 9, 7 4 जा 28. ऐड कर दो 55 upon 63. दिस इज योर आंसर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग 3 फ्रैक्शन. 9 by 16, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 32. Okay, what is the bigger number here? 32. Got it? 32. तो LCM of 16, 8, 32. 8 4s are 32. 16 2s are 32. So what is 32 is its LCM. 32 is its LCM. If we are taking by division method 16, 8, 32, then how we will do? First we will take 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 16, then again 2, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are 16, then again 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 1 1, 2 2s are, and then multiply 2 1 1 1. This all you have done already, you have done. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and you can do orally also by rule. Okay, अगर orally नहीं कर सकते तो ये division method आप apply करके find out कर लो LCM. Then same 32, 34, this fraction 32 divided by 16, 9 2s are 18, 20, 32 1s are 3, add कर दो सबको. 41 upon 32 is your answer. This is improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction also. Got it, children? Now just see question number 4. Okay, 3 plus such type of question are coming. It is in your book. See 3. No denominator is there. You will put 1. Okay, then LCM lo 4. 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4. What will come? 4 only. What will come? 4 only. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 13 upon 4. This is your answer. Got it? Now just see one more question. Question number 5. 3 9 by 20 plus 4 2 by 15. Children, rule is same. Okay. This question I have taken because it is mixed fraction. If mixed fraction is given na, then first convert it into improper fraction. कैसे करती हैं? आता है ना ये सभी को. 3 2s are, multiply these two number 3 and 20. What will come? 60. 60 plus 9 69. ये क्या आ जाएगा आपका? 69 upon 20. 69 upon 20. Got it? Now 15 4s are 60. 62 upon, ऐड कर दो 2, 15. ओके, अब इनका एलसीएम निकालोगे 20 एंड 15. ओके, तो कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, इस डिवीजन मेथड से निकाल लो. बट इज 20 15 2 पे 15 नहीं जाएगा, 5 पे 5 4s are 5 3s are. देन वन कॉमन फैक्टर इट इज 5 4s are 20, 20 3s are 60. Then 60 is your LCM. 3s are 197. Multiply करो 4, 4 2s are 8, 248. ऐड कर दो 5 4 3 upon 60. ओके, इसको कन्वर्ट कर लो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम taking because it is given in your mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction में देखो बेटा, plus 4 2 by 15. Got it? 60 multiply 20 into 3 60, 69 upon 20, 15 4s are 60, 62 upon 15. Okay, what will be LCM? LCM of 20 and 15. 20 and 15. So what will be LCM? 20 15. 5 4s are 5 3s are, then 5 into 4 into 3, multiply 60. So 60 you will write here. 20 3s are 69 into 3s are 200. 7 plus 15 4s are 60 and 248. ऐड करो 15 5 4. दिस इज योर आंसर. कन्वर्ट कर लो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में. गॉट इट? दिस इज योर आंसर. Now, question number 6. 1 by 7 plus 2 1 by 14. 2 1 by 14 plus 3 1 by 28. 3 1 by 28. Okay, convert. 7 1s are 7. 8 plus 8 upon 7. 14 2s are 28. 29 upon 14. 29 upon 14. 28 3s are 84 plus 1, 85 upon 28. Same. LCM of 7, 14 and 28. 28 is coming in the table of 7 also, 14 also. Oral से आप 28 निकाल सकते हो, otherwise इस मेथड से निकाल लो. Got it? 28 यहाँ. Then 7 4s are 28, 4 8s are 32. 14 2s are 28, 2 29 2s are 58. Got it? ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लिया करो बेटे, मिस्टेक्स नहीं होती फिर. 28 1s are 28, 1 को करोगे 85. ठीक है, ओरल हो जाए तो ओरल, अदरवाइज ऐसे अरेंज कर लो. 32 58 85 रफ नोटबुक में रफ साइड में लाइन लगा के और फिर ऐड कर लो. 5 7 15 1 4 9 and 17. So 175 upon 28. Got it? Understood now? This is an improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction also. Now children, I am showing to you converting it into mixed fraction. Okay, 28 की table you can write on side and see. 28 6 168, 28 7 बिगर हो जाएगा 175 से, तो 168 माइनस कर लो 7. तो हाउ यू विल राइट 6 7 by 28. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. This you know everything. Now just see children, listen your homework. What is your homework? Revise exercise 7D and E. Okay, on Friday live class is there. Live class I will discuss last exercise, exercise 7F and test of exercise 7D and E. Got it children? Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.